a baby, the first two words I uttered were Mama and Papa. Then, as I played alone, I would mention letters like A, B, S for cat, and F, D, G for dog. That was how I creatively spelled those words at the age of 2. My earliest attempts at language. Bless my mama's heart. Her gentle encouragement was unwavering. Sige lang, okay lang, kahit ano pang spelling yan. She'd say laughing, and I'd chuckle, not quite understanding why. It became a testament to her patience and a hint of amusement until I finally realized that the conventional spelling of cat is C-A-T and dog is D-O-G. Those letters eventually clicked into place, marking the start of my journey in understanding the world around me. Distinguished guests, Honorable Nikon F. Marunag, PMFTCI President Mr. Angelito King, Administrative Director Ms. Diana Marie B. King, our hardworking Dean of College, Sir Ryan I. Bautista, school administrators, esteemed faculty, dedicated mentors, proud parents, and fellow graduates, pleasant afternoon. I am Rochelle Grace Baon Aguinaldo, the fourth daughter of Rahel and Lonchita Aguinaldo, who diligently worked with both hammer and pen to provide for our family's daily needs. And it is truly an honor to stand before you today and deliver this speech of gratitude on behalf of graduating class of 2025. Today, we are not just celebrating the conclusion of our college life, but also the beginning of a new chapter. Our 4 years were not easy. We faced numerous challenges and created countless memories during the time of pandemic. Because of that, we encountered various learning modalities: modular distance learning, audio distance learning, asynchronous and synchronous learning, and of course, the face-to-face classes. These experiences were truly a challenge filled with unexpected events. Tama po ba ako, mga graduates? Maraming surprises. So sino ba sa atin ang hindi nakaranas ng mga ganito? We struggle to study amidst the noise of the vehicles and even from our own homes. At times, there was a deafening silence during our online classes due to a poor signal. Ilang beses tayo naghanap ng signal. Yung iba pumupunta pa naman ng bundok ay dito sa bayan para na makapasok sa online classes. Yung iba itataas at ibababa pa ang cellphone, may papatong pa sa bangko para na makahanap ng maganda reception. Yung kung kailan tayo tinawag at para makapagsagot, ay bigla na lang nawala yung signal. And that was frustrating and challenging. Throughout these years, we faced hardships, exhaustion, joy, sadness, and moments of wanting to give up. There were times we studied hard, thinking exams would be easy, only to face results that left us wondering, what happened? I thought it was easy. It felt like playing Who Wants to Be a Millionaire Without a Lifeline or Family Feud, where the right answer is based on the survey responses. To my fellow graduates, thank you. Thank you for getting through 4 years that began during a pandemic. It wasn't easy, but through perseverance and hard work, here we are, and here we stand, having achieved our dreams, the dreams of our parents. This is not the end. Tomorrow, we will open a new chapter of our lives. Let us face the future with hope that exceeds the expectations we built over these 4 years. Let us not fear of what challenges ahead. Instead, let us embrace them as opportunities to grow and learn. Let us continue to dream, not just for ourselves, but also for our families and for our country. May every success we achieve inspire others. To the PMF-PCI family, thank you for being our guiding light through this journey. We will always cherish the experience we've shared with you. I fondly remember the technical problems and glitches on Zoom, Discord, at an LMS. Those moments when our teachers' faces would freeze, or when we accidentally muted ourselves in our eagerness to answer. These moments added vibrant colors to our journey. Thank you for the group projects that brought late and sleepless nights and bonding moments filled with laughter and overslap. I recall those late nights when, instead of studying, we found ourselves watching Netflix and playing Mobile Legends. Anong rank nyo na po? Nakarating na po tayo dito. Anong rank nyo na po? Embracing the motto, study hard, play harder. It truly strengthened our camaraderie. Thank you for the assignments and activities, especially the thesis, where just a week before the deadline, we put on our superhero capes to finish our requirements. Thank you, PMF-PCI, for everything. Thank you to the BS Criminology family, teachers, classmates, and friends. Thank you for trusting me to be Vice President on 2022-2023, and then President of our department in 2023-2024. It was challenging, but through our unity, we succeeded. Our experience brought us closer together. There were misunderstandings, disagreements, and tears, but in the end, we reconciled. Thank you for teaching me the importance of respect, the value of teamwork, and the critical experience of being a leader. Let us carry forward what we have learned as a family from BS Criminology toward achieving our dreams. Salamat po. To our parents and guardians who are here today, tirelessly supporting our education. You are truly our heroes and the inspiration behind our presence here. Thank you for every time we ask for pocket money, tuition, or other needs. We heard the familiar sermon in return. Ano? Baon na naman. Tuition na naman. Pera na naman. Baon na naman. Mama, Papa, there are music in our ears. Pagkatapos ng mahabang sermon, ibibigay niyo ang kailangan namin. You will surely find a way to support us. Parang BDO, we find ways. Even if it means stretching your finances, yung wala ay meron. We are deeply grateful, dear parents. Salamat din po sa maraming pagkakataon na kami ay nawawala ng pag-asa at parang gusto nang tumigil. Nandyan kayo para bigyan kami ng lakas ng loob at magtiwala sa aming sarili at sa aming kakayahan. Your encouragement and faith in our abilities have meant the world to us. Thank you for dedication and sacrifices that nothing can replace. To my siblings, thank you for helping me realize that I struggled to understand. Kahit minsan ay gigil sa pagpapaliwanag. At kung paano hindi mabubulol sa mga salitang binibigkas ko. To Tita Lolin and Tito Ramir, thank you for always being just a chat away. Whenever I needed support, especially financially. Salamat din po sa pagbabayad ng graduation fee ko. Naka-discount po ako ng 1,000. To my uncles and aunties, at sa mga pinsan ko, thank you for your moral and spiritual support. And for your encouraging words like, ang galing naman ni R.A. Your belief in me was been incredibly inspiring, yet challenging. I cannot express enough gratitude to all of you. And to the most important people in my life, Papa, Mama. Mere words of praise cannot encapsulate the magnitude of your sacrifices. Salamat, Papa, for picking me up, for patiently picking me up, even in the late hours. And for always being willing to help, even you were alone. Kahit noon nagkasakit ka at nasa malayo kay ni Mami.
Ikaw na.
Iniisip mo pa rin kung sino mag-ahatid at magsusundo sa amin para lang kami ay ligtas. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for supporting me financially and for always believing in my abilities. Kayo po yung #1 fan ko. Mama, kaya po pala hindi niyo tinuro sa akin ang tamang spelling ng cat at dog. Dahil gusto mong ma-realize ko kung ano ang tama. Hindi lang sa spelling, kundi na rin sa aking buhay na tatahapin. Katulad ng kung paano ako magsikap para makamit ko ang Latin honor nito. Salamat sa salitang kaya mo yan at think positive. I remember back in kindergarten when we practiced for graduation. I was so happy coming home to tell you both that I was the first honor in our class. Little did I know that I was the only one called first because our names were arranged alphabetically and Aguinaldo starts with an A. The innocence of my childhood brings a smile on my face. Looking back at moments a dream and manifestation. Dahil po pa ng kanilang na binalik ko ma at pap 16 years ago. Sa pagkakataon pong ito, inaanyayahan ko ang class of 25 na tumayo sandali at lumaki sa ating mga magulang upang iabot ang guard na simbolo ng ating pasasalamat sa kanilang walang sawang pag-sakripisyo. All graduates po stand and kumuha po ng guard sa unahan.